Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 is back on Facebook Live. Just finished doing YouTube, okay? So, I'm cooking some spaghetti tacos, okay? For some of you people that haven't watched me on YouTube yet, you know, it just will eventually go on YouTube. Look what I got. The ground meat, and I got the taco shells, the spaghetti, the ragu sauce, and the taco seasoning. These were what I'm gonna use. Okay, I put some cooking oil in this water so the spaghetti noodles don't stick together. Okay, I know that this is something from iCarly and stuff like that. You know, well, I'm cooking with a mask. Okay, so even though when this COVID season be over, this pandemic will be over. I'm still gonna be wearing a mask because I don't have COVID. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, I feel fine, y'all. Okay, to let y'all know. Okay. Ground beef. Ground beef. Okay. Gotta make sure I stay away from food if I'm scratching up my hair, you know. And I'll be right out. I'm about to wash my hands. All right, so I'm finished, y'all. Okay. I don't know. I really don't know who watching this. You know, I mean, my friend gonna probably say, "Oh, look at Domino, look at him cooking down." Okay, and then my neighbor Naya, I can't believe I'm mentioning her name on my show. She'll be like, "Oh, go Domino, do your cooking." Yeah, that's exactly what she probably gonna say. But she don't want to be on the Domino 7 show. At least, unless she dressed, you know. Yep. I'm glad she had a chance to meet my mama though. You know. God bless my mama soul. You know. If you're watching this on YouTube, y'all might have saw that picture of me, my mom, and Brock. You know. The way I think about it, Shamika probably watching this right now. You know, she probably gonna watch this when it airs. We Facebook friends. I think we still Facebook friends. I don't know. You know, if we Facebook friends, she probably gonna catch this on the news feed. You know, she probably will catch this on the news feed though. You know, okay. If we Facebook friends, she gonna she gonna definitely catch this up on the news feed. But I don't like to talk negative and stuff like that on my show. But I just hope. Well, anyway, that person, I don't even know his name anyway. Probably gonna watch my show or whatever. Okay, but who knows? Okay. Alright. So either way around, y'all. I mean, the person I hope is watching this one of these days will be Dominique. Okay. So she's a singer, but her singing name is called Diamond Dior, but I call her Diamond Doms Dior. Okay. But I'm not talking about Doms Peters. Y'all watched her on my show before, you know. Dimes, well, Dominique Peters, well, Dimes Peters. So I'm gonna call her Dominique Diamond Dimes Dior. I don't know. Shoot, I'm confused, y'all. Okay, so. And then I have a homeboy that used to work at this supermarket where he still work at the supermarket with a tire shop and stuff like that. So, you know, by me being a YouTube celebrity and stuff like that, and she's a singer. You know, honestly, y'all, Dominoes 7 and Dominique, Dominique Dimes Dior, you know, we gonna make a cute couple, y'all. We will make a cute couple if anybody would, you know. Go on YouTube and type Incrediflow featuring Diamond Dior Dreaming, okay? That's the name of the song she was featured in, you know? Because, you know, Incrediflow is awesome, okay? So y'all check out Incrediflow, okay? All right. While I'm cooking these spaghetti tacos and stuff like that. Yep. So I'm so I don't even know if my friends don't want to try some spaghetti tacos. Excuse me a minute. Let me get out of sight. Sorry, y'all. Even though I have a mask, I still got to step away when I'm coughing, okay? I cover my mouth with a towel, okay? Not with my hands, though, okay? Because in case some of y'all don't know or noticing or whatever, I carry a towel with me everywhere I go for extra precaution, okay? Besides a mask, you know what I'm saying? Okay? I think I'm gonna put this on my other two YouTube channels. If I can put this on my Dominoes 7 show channel, you know, I haven't worked on that yet. Okay, I definitely haven't worked on that yet. Okay, because I need to work on that channel because you know YouTube has been changing too much. You know, it changed too much. I don't know why. You know, so now. About to put some spaghetti in there. Better be careful what I'm saying though, because you know Shamika is watching my show right now, and hopefully Dominique is watching. Her sister Brittany, I haven't met Brittany yet, you know. Dominique's sister Brittany. I ain't gonna say her full name on the show, because she don't know me yet, you know. Okay. So me and Brittany haven't met yet. I'm not talking about my big face friend named Brittany. My big face friend Brittany. she had told me don't even start calling her bubblegum face. I was gonna start calling her that. Uh-oh. Brittany is probably watching this video right now, and she heard everything I said. She heard everything I said. You know what I'm saying? She gonna be like, "Dom, I'ma whoop your booty." Okay. At first, Brittany never wanted to say that word. You know. I wonder if Nyla gonna watch this. Nyla, not Naya. You know. Speaking of those two names, Nyla, they heard about each other. You know, but they don't know each other yet. You know. They really don't. Okay. So. Yep. So. By me having fun with this. Alright. Make sure it's ground beef. Alright. Now I'm about to go to YouTube, okay? Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live, okay? All right, bye-bye.